Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now. Make sure your AirPods Max and phone have some charge and Bluetooth is on. On the headphones, press and hold the noise control button until the status LED flashes white. This puts the AirPods Max in pairing mode. On your phone, stay on the Bluetooth settings screen so available devices refresh. You do this because the headphones broadcast a discoverable signal only while in pairing mode, and the phone must be actively scanning to detect that signal. Once the headphones appear on your phone as AirPods Max, tap that name to start pairing. Wait, the phone and headphones exchange keys and negotiate profiles. This is why the first connection can take several seconds. If you see prompts asking to allow calls or media access, accept them so voice and audio use correctly. If your phone is signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID, the headphones may sync across devices automatically. Make sure you finish by testing audio, play music and confirm stereo balance, then try a call to verify the mic. If audio doesn't route, open Control Center or Bluetooth settings and select AirPods Max explicitly. If pairing fails or the LED never turns white, reset the headphones. Press and hold the digital crown and noise control button together until the LED flashes amber. Then white. This clears the pairing memory so you can retry the exact Bluetooth steps. That reset fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.